Welcome back to Autocar Zone. Today we venture into the world of speculation, focusing on the highly anticipated 2025 Rivian R1T. While official details have yet to be confirmed, rumors suggest that the 2025 Rivian R1T will continue to embody the thrilling spirit of its predecessor. For those seeking a pickup truck that combines power with quiet efficiency, the Rivian R1T is an exceptional choice. The 2025 R1T has undergone several hardware upgrades aimed at enhancing its overall performance. One of the most significant changes is the introduction of a new electrical architecture, which has reduced weight by eliminating a substantial amount of wiring. Additionally, all three battery options have been updated. The maximum horsepower has been increased to 1025, which is 190 more than the previous model. This boost in power allows the quad-motor version to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in less than 2.5 seconds, a remarkable feat for a vehicle of this size. Beyond its impressive acceleration, the R1T offers a spacious bed, seating for 5 passengers, a range of up to 420 miles, and rapid charging capabilities with a maximum 220 kWh DC fast charging capacity. These features make it a versatile and highly practical vehicle, with only a few minor drawbacks. The power increase is not just a minor upgrade, but a significant enhancement, made possible by Rivian's newly developed and manufactured drive unit, available in both tri-motor and quad-motor variants. Rivian has also fine-tuned the air suspension system in the 2025 model to further improve ride comfort. During our test drive, we found the steering to be precise and responsive, while the ride quality exceeded our expectations. These observations are consistent with our extensive experience with the 2022 Rivian R1T, which has accumulated over 20,000 kilometers during our long-term ownership. The 2025 Rivian R1T is expected to be priced between $71,700 and $101,700, depending on the selected trim level and optional features.